Vanna from Cheap Nails, helping you stay frugal with your next manicure. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your square or scround nails into an almond shape. Yep, I'm going to be switching up my nail shape. I have like a square, but it's kind of rounded in the edges, so it's a scround. So it's kind of a square scround. So I'm going to be changing into an almond shape. So let's get started. I'm super excited. It's always exciting to change up your nail shape, right? Come on, yeah, it's always exciting. Let's get started.
Alright, I've taken off all the nail polish off my nails and they are ready to be filed, so let's go ahead and grab our tools. Of course, you're going to need a file, and you can use a crystal glass file if you like. These are a lot softer on the nails, or you can just use a normal file. This is just a cheap file from Walmart, and it's like 88 cents, so it's pretty cheap, but it does work, so you can use one of those if you like. And also you're gonna need a nail clipper. This is just a normal nail clipper, nothing fancy. And also I'm gonna be using acrylic paint. Now this step is optional, but I like painting kind of a guide on my nails with a dotting tool and some kind of like paint, and here I'll show you right here. So let's get started. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that white acrylic paint, and I'm gonna try to put a dot in the center of my nail on the top, and then run those down, and then I put dots going up on the other side where I want my almond shape to be. It's kind of like a rough outline to make the shape. I really like doing this because it helps me to find the middle of my nail, because I want to file to the middle of my nail. And then I just take the nail clipper and I just kind of clip off those like sharp corners of the square nail. Just go ahead and clip those off, and I make sure that I kind of get all like the pointy off, so it's kind of round. As you can see, it looks kind of round after you clip it off. Another thing you want to do before you start going to filing is look at the smile line of your nail, which is where your nail touches your finger, and it's kind of that line. And if that line is uneven, you can look at both sides, and if one side is higher than the other side, you can file just a little lower. So I'm gonna just, if I have it up a little higher on one side, I'll just start filing a little lower to match the other side, which is a little lower on your finger. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's basically just where your nail meets your finger, and sometimes it just happens so where one side of the smile line is uneven with the other side. So you just want to make sure that you're filing that very even on both sides so it comes out even. When you're filing the almond shape, you want to make sure that your nail file isn't completely flat or just really straight up like this, because if it's the straighter it's up like this, the sharper the edge will look, and you want it to look just like this, not flat like this. You want it to look just like this, just like a good rounded motion going in one direction, and that will make your almond shape. Now if you make the, like I said before, if you make the nail file super like straight up, it makes it really sharp, and some people have sharp almond looks, so you can totally do that, but I just went ahead and went for the round almond. You can also flip your finger over to check the shape to make sure it's even. I got some filing to do on this side, so I gotta flip it back over and just keep doing that round motion. So yeah, you can definitely flip your finger over to check the shape. After you're done filing your nail, you can also take your nail file and kind of file the underneath of your nail, because always when you file your nails, like the underneath of it always has that, like, I don't know, extra nail there, I don't know what to call it, but you can just kind of file under the nail to get that off after you're done. And there we go, there is the almond shape. I think that it's beautiful. The almond shape is my personal favorite, next to like ballerina shape. I love those two shapes of nails, but I usually always wear the almond because I love just how it looks, and I just feel like it's a lot healthier for my nails. Like my nails break less, because I feel like when I have square nails, they like the corners catch on things and everything. But yeah, so I'm just go ahead and do the same method to all my other nails to get them up to this almond shape that I already shaped my other nail with. And I also really enjoy using acrylic paint to just mark out where I'm going to make the shape. Like I said before, that's just an optional thing. You don't have to do it, but I like doing it just to give me like a visual guide. And I went ahead and did the exact same method on all my nails, and here they are. They're a lovely almond shape. Like I said before, I love the almond shape. Usually my nails are shaped in the almond shape. And then after you shape your nails, you can move on to doing some awesome nail art. comment. I hope you got value out of this video. Hit the like button if you did. I will link everything I use down in the description box down below if you're interested in checking it out. And please subscribe if you want to see more awesome content. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Bye! P.S. You can visit me at my website www.cheapnailswithvanna.com for more awesome manicure at home tips.